Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So you guys, I know that it has been a while since I've recorded a video, but life has just been so busy. I started a new job in a new industry and I'm still getting my footing, still processing everything. But along the way, I picked up a few things that I wanted to share with you guys. I picked up a new bag. Well, it's kind of not a new bag. I have bought this bag 3 times, you guys, with this being the 3rd time that I bought it. So hopefully the 3rd time's the charm. And I also picked up 2 smaller things that I wanted to share with you guys as well. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'll start with the smaller boxes and then we'll get to the bag, which is not going anywhere this time, and I really do mean that. So the first thing I picked up is an accessory. It's actually a strap that I can't wait for you guys to see. I'd been contemplating getting a different strap for my Alma BB trunk over there. It comes with a thin black leather strap, which is fine, but I wanted a different strap that complemented it a little more. And I was watching one of Candy from Candy's Sweet Love for LV's live videos, and she was selling a strap that I feel is perfect for my Alma trunk. And this is it, you guys. The moment I saw this strap, I immediately told her I wanted it because I just knew on that bag it was going to be perfect. Now, full disclosure, I've already saw the strap, but I just put it in this box and dust bag to unbox it here with you. And the strap that I got is the monogram canvas strap from the Inside Out Neverfull BB. So I appreciate the black leather strap that the Alma trunk comes with, and I love that it's adjustable. But this strap on it is me so much more. So the thing that I love and sold me on this strap is that it matches my Alma BB trunk so effortlessly. The width is perfect, the monogram flowers are around the same size, and while the handles are a smooth leather and the tabs on the strap are more pebbled, even that feels intentional. It's like the differences add character rather than clash, and to me, it just works. The back is all black pebbled leather, and I love this because it gives you a completely different look depending on which side is showing. It's like getting 2 straps in one, and I think it just elevates the bag even more. So the strap isn't adjustable, but honestly, I don't ever wear this bag crossbody anyway. And here it is on the bag. I just think it really elevates it. It adds a little edge while still feeling classic. And I love how the monogram side pops and the black leather peeks out underneath. Honestly, this is the perfect strap, so I am so glad that Candy had it for sale. So the next thing I picked up, I got directly from Louis Vuitton. And you guys, this is actually a charm. And yes, another charm. And I get it, I've been going absolutely charm crazy lately. But the last charm I purchased for my Speedy soft up there, the lobster charm, I unboxed it here on YouTube and I was so excited to have it. But then I started to notice the leather had some really bad wrinkling that I just was not happy with. I showed it to one of my friends on Instagram and she agreed it was unacceptable. The wrinkles were on the lobster's claw, and on a small leather piece like that, wrinkles only get worse over time. They can deepen, distort the shape, or just become more noticeable, and there was no way I could have lived with that. So I ended up returning it, and honestly, I'm glad that I did. So I ended up getting this one, and here it is, the Louis Vuitton Maxi Vivienne Gummy Bag Charm. So I actually got a chance to see this charm in person a few weeks ago, and I really liked how it looked, but at the time I didn't have a bag in mind to put it on, so I ended up passing. And I almost forgot about it, but then I was on Instagram and saw it on a story from one of my favorite new creators, Megan from Megan Luxe World. You guys, if you're not following her, seriously, go check her out. She is a Louis girl just like me. I want to say she's almost at 1,000 subscribers, so go show her some love. I'm going to link her channel down in my description, but she showed this gummy charm on a crafty on her Instagram story, and the second I saw it, it just clicked and I knew I had to grab it. The scale, the balance, the proportions, it's not competing for attention or taking over the bag, and I really love how it pops with the red key bell. And you guys know that the interior on the Speedy Soft Crafty is lined in red leather, so it all just ties together to me, and it is the perfect charm on this bag. And the last thing that I want to share is this bag. I already unboxed it, but I put it back in the box so I can unbox it with you guys. I initially purchased this bag when it first came out a few years ago. I was so hyped and beyond excited to get this bag. I went in store, tried it on, and fell in love. But here's the thing, I ended up selling it not once, but twice. And that really says something about how special this bag is to me. Or maybe it just says how crazy I am. So here it is for the third time, the Speedy 20 in ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕠𝕟. So I know all of you guys are familiar with this bag. Like I said, this bag has been out for a while, and I have gotten rid of this bag twice, you guys. So this is the third one that I've purchased, and I am not letting this bag go again. This bag, the last time I let it go, you guys, I missed it so much. And I was going back and forth like, should I rebuy it? Should I get another Speedy 20, maybe in a different print, or maybe an Empreinte leather one? But you guys, I just really had to have this bag back. And a lot of you know that I fell in love with this bag initially because of the guitar strap. The guitar strap that comes with it is the prettiest strap that I have ever seen Louis Vuitton make. And here is that strap. There was no way I was not getting this bag back. I cannot believe I have purchased this bag 3 times, but this bag is just that good. The first time I let it go is because I felt I wanted the bigger ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕠𝕟 Speedy 25, which was warranted. I felt like this size was a little too small at the time, so I got the Speedy 25. And after I got the Speedy 25, I realized that they serve 2 completely different purposes, and having both the 25 and 20 actually made sense. So I ended up repurchasing it, you guys. And then a couple of months ago, I was going through this whole little phase where I felt I outgrew ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕠𝕟. So I sold off my entire collection, including this bag, which was a huge mistake. What I should have done was just got rid of everything except this, but you live and you learn, and I have it back, so that's all that matters. Here's the inside. It's lined in this beautiful red textile that is the perfect pop of color against the ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕠𝕟 exterior. I used a bag organizer in almost the same shade with my previous Speedy 20s. Actually, let me grab it real quick. So here it is, and let's just pop it inside. And here is what the organizer looks like inside the bag, and it is the perfect fit. I'm gonna carry this bag right now, today. So let's dress it up really quick and put my stuff inside. I think I wanna wear it with the key belt from my ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕠𝕟 Alma BB. There's a ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕬𝕗 Speedy 20 coming out soon, and Louis Vuitton has styled it with the key belt that I think looks really dope on this size. I'm kind of on the fence about it. I've never been a huge fan of ℂ𝕬𝕟, but this one is actually really interesting. And here is the key belt on, and this is exactly how I'm going to be rocking it. Here it is, all packed up and ready to go. This really is the perfect grab and go bag, and I missed having this bag so much, you guys. If I ever even hint at selling this bag again, I want one of you guys to really go off on me, because this bag is actually a staple and it deserves a permanent spot in my lineup. So that's everything I wanted to share today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the strap, the charm, and of course, my beloved Speedy 20 for the 3rd time. I feel like I've been taking you along on this whole journey with this bag. The ups, the downs, the back and forth. And it really means a lot to finally have it back where it belongs. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.